Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizokucela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zilokufakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ungaphuzi lezi ndaba ngenza njengamanje-ke ungawucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lana ngilethele-ke ividiyo-ke laphana-ke lena-ke esuse kuyiyo-ke esuse-ke umsindo-ke kakhulu-ke laphana-ke kwi-MK-ke elinye-ke ilunga-ke le-MK-ke laphana-ke liwumsuthu-ke laphana-ke liveza-ke ukunganami-ke laphana ngokushiwo-ke noma-ke okwenziwe-ke nguFloyd Chivambu-ke laphana-ke obevela-ke kwi-EFF-ke laphana-ke kwasuka umkhulu-ke umsindo-ke ngayo-ke leyo vidiyo leyo nje ngizoyidlala le vidiyo izole wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke lo mlisa lo mina ngicela lapha masizwile-ke le vidiyo ngena comment section-ke fushe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe ngiyifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Someone says there's a lot of comments that say these are not MK members, they are EFF members, bought MK t-shirts. I'm gonna make it my goal this week that every single video I come across, I come and post it here until you guys accept and stop being in denial. Let me post this video for you guys.
I was attending the meeting called by Comrade SG. Then the meeting, it was about the constitution and clarifying some other things in the constitution to the people of Northwest. You know, you might be the member, you might be the member of National High Command, but that doesn't give you that authority to disrespect the people of Northwest. That doesn't give you an authority not to listen to the people of Northwest. You know, Rona as Batwamo Northwest, Rejoinem Kondo, Hara Jonelam Kondo Hore, Retro Threatenwa, key members of National High Command. Comrade Floyd, the level of speed that you are running with, we can't keep up. Etlanyana bafu. Etlanyana. Rekono major. Remember we are the ground forces. You can't tell us direct that for the vote to Rona on Northwest Hadimetari. That is a full disrespect to us. You can't tell us that. For the vote to Ramon Northwest, hardly even a seat come parliament. That is a full disrespect to the people of Northwest. We are not fighting you, but we expect you to treat us with respect. Bafo, Comrade National Organizer, don't forget that you left your vote at EFF. Please, you must respect us when you are talking to the members of MK in the Northwest. We are the members of MK in the Northwest. Don't forget that you left your vote at EFF. You can't come here and tell us direct that